The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) has imposed stringent restrictions on Paytm Payments Banks Limited, a subsidiary of one of India's largest payment firms, Paytm. This action, effective after February 29, 2024, is a result of persistent non-compliance and significant supervisory concerns that have been identified by the RBI. The Central's decision was announced on February 1, 2024, and it mandates that PPBL cease accepting new deposits and halt all credit transactions. This includes stopping the use of popular wallets, FASTags, National Common Mobility Cards, and any other prepaid instruments. The RBI has also prohibited fund transfers through Paytm, including those made via the Unified Payments Interface (UPI). After selecting the option to close or delete your account, customers will likely need to raise a ticket or file a request with Paytm. This can be done within the app itself, and customers may be required to provide a reason for their account closure. Paytm's customer service team will then process the request. It is important to note that if any customer has any remaining balance in the Paytm Payments Bank account, they should transfer it out or use it before initiating the closure process. Additionally, closing the savings account will not affect the Paytm wallet, which means you can continue to use your wallet as usual even after the savings account is closed. The RBI's actions underscore the importance of regulatory compliance in the banking sector and serve as the reminder of the central bank's commitment to maintaining the integrity of India's financial system.